Hey everyone, I'm Jason Gillette, and today I'm going to give you a quick little tutorial on how to reset your oil change light. So if you take a look at your screen here, there's some pages up top. On your steering wheel, there's some controls right here that you can use to just change those pages. So I'm going to go ahead, we're in truck information right now. I'm just going to toggle over till I get to the gear setting, and then you can see it says settings. So if we go down through these, you'll see one that says advanced settings. We're going to hit the OK button. We're going to go into the vehicle and hit that OK. And then you can see there's all these different things you can go through. Well, oil life reset is the one we want. When you get your oil changed, you're going to go into this, you're going to press the OK button, and we are going to go ahead. This just had the oil change. We're just going to go ahead and hit the OK button, and it's going to reset it. Now we have 100% oil life on this vehicle. We are good to go. If you're driving around wondering why it says 0% oil life, it does not track it itself. It is something you have to manually reset when you get your oil change. All right, everybody, thanks for watching this video. Do me a huge favor and click subscribe. Then go ahead and hit that bell for notifications, and you'll be notified every time I make a new video. Have a great day.